Welcome to Melac Online Tutorial. Now here is this physics question that we need to treat or probably solve, and it says a mass of 2 kilograms on a surface, which is this. The coefficient of static friction equals 1/2 is connected to a second mass of 4 kilograms over a frictionless pulley as shown below, which is this. If acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared, now calculate the acceleration that will cause the masses to move. Meaning the acceleration that will cause this and this to move. Alright. Now from this diagram, by reason of the fact that this mass is greater than this mass, it means that this one will pull this for it to move. Okay, so let us resolve. Now we know that this weight acts downward and the reaction acts upward. Now the frictional force of this is this act opposite the tension here. Now the weight of this particular mass is W, and you know the tension comes like this. Okay, so alright, let us now resolve. With this, let us know that for a body to move, we have that force equals the product of mass and acceleration. Now for this body to move here, this tension must be greater than this. Alright, so the overall force between this and this will now be the tension minus the frictional force equals to MA. Let's take this as a first equation. And take note, in the same vein, if this one tends to move, following this law, this will be greater than this. Alright, so and as such, we have that the weight minus the tension equals to MA, equation 2. Alright, because at the same vein, even as this is being pulled, there was also an upward force which probably will make this one have okay, let's see. Alright, so into this, so we have these two, and this is mass 1 and this is mass 2. Alright, so from here we can tend to resolve. And since we are looking for acceleration here, now the frictional force equals the product of coefficient of static friction and the reaction. Now, and our reaction here will be mass times acceleration. Now, which will give us the mass here is 2, right? Which is let us say M1, which is this, then times 9.8, and this will give us 2 times 8 is 16 meter 1. This is 18 plus 1, 19. So Newton. All right. So then as such here now we've gotten the reaction, which is this. So from here, the frictional force from here. So frictional force. So we are given that this is 1/2 times 19 plus 0.6. So 2 here 1, 2 here 9.6. Alright, so the frictional force is actually 9.8 Newton. Okay, so from here we can input that. So we can now say that the tension equals 9.8 equals the mass, which is 2A. Now from here also we can say this, the weight here equals to M2G. Now and M2 here is what? 4 times 9.8, and this should give us 9 times 8, that is 32, remainder sorry, 2, remainder 3. 9 times 4 times 9 is 36. Now 36 plus 3, so here we have 36 plus 3, that will be 39 Newton. Okay, all right, so from there we move further. So with this we can now say 39.2 minus the tension equals, our mass is here is what, 4A. Okay, so with this now we can now say the tension here will now be 39.2, that's making T the solid of relation, minus 4A equals T. Okay, now let us make this equation 3. Now from here we can also make T the solid formula. So we can now say here T equals 2A plus 9.8, which is equation 4. Now since the tension are the same, so we can now equate these two. We can now say 39.2 minus 4A equals 2A plus 9.8. Alright, let us collect like 10. So it will be 39.2 minus 9.8, then equals 2A plus 4A. Alright, now when we subtract this from this, 2, that's 12 minus 8, that should give us that will be 4. Now point here we have 18, that will be 9, then equals 6 plus 8. Now divide both sides by 6. So our acceleration here will now be, let's punch our calculator to see the actual. So we can have it that 6 in 29, that should give us 4. Alright, now remainder 5. In 5 impossible, then in 54 we have what, 9 meter per second square. So this is the acceleration that is required for the two masses to move. Alright, if you love what I've just done, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in chemistry, physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.